Hi, David Allman here with Overloud, and I'm extremely excited today to tell you about the TH3 Rock collection, which is going to allow you to come up with excellent sounding rock tones for your electric or acoustic guitars. The TH3 Rock collection has the same exact editing capabilities and preset management found in the full version of TH3. The only difference is that it's made of models geared towards rock music. For this collection, we handpicked 12 amps, 12 cabinets, and 16 effects that are going to allow you to come up with any kind of rock tones that you need. That means blues rock, but also heavier forms of rock such as hard rock tones, classic rock tones, country rock, roots rock, and a lot more. Also, within the Rock collection, you're gonna find 80 presets. 40 of these presets were designed to give you a great sounding rock guitar, no matter what kind of rock genre you're into. And these are great for recordings, for example. And within these 40 presets, you're gonna find something that suits your style. Of course, you can tweak them if you want, but they're designed to work great outside of the box. You're also gonna find 40 song presets. These presets were carefully designed to emulate the sound of some of the best sounding rock guitar players on the planet. You're gonna find within that collection some classic songs, and outside of the box, it's like having the rig of your guitar hero. It's gonna sound great. If you're a rock guitar player, you've gotta check out TH3 Rock collection. All the tools were handpicked to give you access to some of the best tones in the world. This collection will cover all kinds of rock genres, whether you're recording guitars or playing live. TH3 Rock collection is for you.